Change our program to take input from the user. So instead of setting this, I'm going to set it to an empty string, and then I'm going to make a new variable called age, and I'll set it to 0. And then I'm going to prompt the user for their name and their age, and then I'll print a message. So I'll say name is assigned, and then use this input command, and it'll have these little parentheses, and inside it you put the prompt that you want to be displayed to the string or to the screen. So I'll say enter your name, and then whatever they type in will be stored in name. So if I run this, hello Debbie. So whatever they typed in was stored in this variable, and then we printed it out here. So age is an integer. So when I read it in, I need to make sure that it's changed to an integer, because the Python will read it in as a string of characters. So we won't be able to do math on it. So to change it to an integer, I'll use the int, and then you'll see these little parentheses appear. And then inside there I'll put input. So you can see the input is inside the int. So whatever they type in, I'll then change it to an integer, and then I'll put the prompt inside. So enter your age, and then I'll put a new message, print you are age years old. And I don't need that extra space right there. Okay. So enter your name. I'm Jose, 23. You are 23 years old. So again, how this works is you're going to use the int, this is called a function, and then we have the input function, right? These are two different functions. So input gets the input from the user, and then int changes whatever they type in to be an integer. So I'm going to put this function inside that function, and then in there I add the prompt, whatever prompt you want to be typed out on the screen.